Let's do it.
Now it's Cameron Manuel and Chase Meade, which, by the way, kind of had a little birdie tell me that if you want to ride along with Chase Meade and if you got Twitch, apparently that's the place to be to get kind of the in-car cam review from what Chase Meade is doing. 646 the dial for the Camaro and Meade on the left side of the racetrack. Cameron Manuel dialed in at 469 on the right side, and this time it's the dragster that goes red. Chase Meade, which is 001, his second entry. 5 minutes before that, he was 001. I was starting to say, sometimes when you get to this level, when you get to this point of the race, it's who wants it the most. And I'm going to say, right now, I think Chase Meade is wanting it the most right now because he is just killing it.
Peter Biondo just said we want it the most. He ain't wrong.
Jeff, Sarah, and Chase Meade. Chase came into the round with 2, trying to get out of the round with at least 1, but a draw in his second entry matches him up against Jeff, Sarah. Sarah's sitting on the right side of the racetrack. Can he do it? Pre-stage, now staged, here we go. 5 thousandths of a second separate them. Chase Meade goes 647.6 on a 647. And for Chase Meade, that's what I thought. I wanted to confer with Marco to make sure that I caught that right. Chase Meade in the last 4 rounds has now put up 3 001s. Wow. 001, dead on 6, 7 total. Chase Meade knocks it down.
Yep, Justin Bieber drag racing.
Thank you.
Big check against my dad. Wow, this is once in a lifetime, guys. Let's just take it in.
I'm gonna become a legend?
Yeah.
I'll try.